Cebu, the premier province of the Philippines, invites you to visit and experience the sublime culture and its dream destinations. Welcome to the Sugat capital of the South, Minglanilla, the town where people flock to meet the risen Lord. Find yourself in the Lost Horizon, or the Poet's Heaven, called the Camotes Group Islands, Lake Danao, or the Lover's Lake, exquisite beaches, and underground caves that cover most of the island. The unspoiled historic and heritage city of the South, Karkar, breathes life to a city of dynamic people and cultured community. Renew your spiritual journey in Bogo, the pilgrim city of the North. The captivating beauty and historic Capitancillo Island. Experience the countryside feeling in Malabuyok, where horseback trekking awaits, and the magnificent Montaneza Falls entices. Conquer your fear of heights in Balaguer, the vegetable basket of the province, where Cebu's highest peak can be found. A visit to Santa Fe, the tropical paradise of the North, is an opportunity to relax and experience tropical living with its fine white sand beaches and natural wonders. Que Alegre in Alegria, the home of 1,000 smiles, where happiness is a place. Catmon rewards the adventurous that seeks new heights and offers you to cool yourself with its hot springs. Get lost in time in historic Oslo, a thriving municipality guarded by its prominent cuartel and watchtower that exhibit a glimpse of history. Cebu, a genuinely multifaceted tourism and cultural destination. Come, explore, indulge, and experience.